channel. I am Lime Green. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, check it out, subscribe. If you are returning back, thanks again for tuning in. I love you guys. I really appreciate it. So today I want to do a mauve look. I plan on going to like a family gathering. It's just a small family gathering. It's like for a birthday party. So it's just like everybody's going to be wearing masks and whatnot and taking safety precautions. So I want to dip into the Milani Luster Light. I wanted to do a mauve look and I never got a chance to review this palette. This is brand new. So I said, why not just do an eye look and film this palette? Kill two birds with one stone. So why not? I bought this at my local Walmart. It's very pretty. And also take some time out and check out my nails. I did them myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. So if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. All right, so I have my eyes primed with the P. Louise base. I have it in Rumor 0.5. Is this right here? And if you hear like a sound in the background, that is my mini little AC that I got. So just excuse that. I'm just trying to stay cool. It's almost 80 or 90 degrees today, so I'm trying to stay cool. Before I get started, I do want to dip a little bit into the information on this palette. This palette has quite a few mattes, and it also has quite a few of they appear to be duochrome. So normally I wait to the end to talk about the palette, but I want to mention some of the specs before I get started. So as you can see, a lot of these shades are mattes and a lot of these shades are duochrome. So the first shade that I'm going to dip into is called Adulting right here. Oh, so this shade comes on really pigmented and beautiful. It looks just like the color in the pan. So I'm happy about this color. This is nice. Oh my goodness, y'all, this color is so pretty. This is such a pretty color. I'm thinking about dipping into this shade right here. I just want to do the inner part, just that purple color. And I'm hoping that it doesn't mess up the look I'm going for. So it's called Style Icon. It's this shade right here. And I just want it right here in this area. So I guess I'm gonna have to go in with a very light hand. Oh, it's very pigmented though. So I'm adding like a purplish shadow, but I still want to keep it on the mauve side. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on this side, and I'll be right back. I want to get it to match. All right, so I added the purple shade. Now I'm going back in with the shade called Adulting, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going back over so I don't lose the mauve. Yeah, I see the contrast. Very beautiful. Next, I'm going to go in and cut my crease. Pretty good. Next I'm going to go in with Swagger, which is this shade right here. So it's like a rose gold color, and then it has gold in it. Next I think I'm going to go in with probably this one. like how that's turning out. So I'm going to go back in with Style Icon, which is the shade right here, and I'm just going to blend the outer eye. So I'm going to line my eyes up and then put my eyelashes on, and I'll be right back. All right, so I have my lashes on. So I'm priming my face with the Touch in Sol face primer. I love this primer. It feels so good on my face. And I finally got my Kat Von D foundation in the shade 77. So hopefully this works good for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. I don't know if this is my actual shade, but I would have shaded down because the other shade was like it was too dark. This shade is 77 Warm. Full coverage, y'all. So I'm using new products on the day that I have an event to go to. So yeah, hopefully this turns out right. So I'm going to use D31 Warm to highlight, and this is my first time using this too, so pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. That spread out pretty good. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f., which is tan neutral, and I'm just going to do my inner eye because I need some brightness. Okay, this looking poppin'. This looking poppin'. So I'm gonna go in and contour my nose. But I think I need more darkness, more warmth added to my face, because it looks like my foundation might be too light. Next, I'm going in with my translucent powder called Aspen, which is medium 56 and Kat Von D. Most of my face has been done with Kat Von D. All right, we're looking snatched, baby, snatched. So I'm going to go in with Ruby Kisses. This is a beauty supply store foundation powder, but I'm using it to contour. I'm using it in the shade Cognac. Cognac. Only used this one time, so I don't really know if it's all that, y'all. I'm just going right here. Back to my face, and I'm also going to go in and add some darkness right here because I feel like my foundation didn't match. It's too light. Well, it's not too light, it's just lighter than what I'm used to. By doing this, it'll make it blend. So I want to go in with a shade to go underneath my eyes, but I don't want it dark. So I want to mix it. I want to mix Adulting with Style Icon. And I'm about to show you the two shades I'm talking about. I want to mix this shade with this. So I'm going to dip in the light, well, the dark first. Tap that off. Dip in this light and go underneath. I don't want it too pronounced. I want to do like a soft smoke. If that makes sense. This matches more than anything. So I wonder if I should just do a full lip like this. Maybe I should do Crucifix and this brown. That's what I think that's gonna look good. Y'all, so this is the final look. This was such a beautiful palette and it was such a great surprise. I didn't expect it to look this popping, y'all. This looks great. So I only had a little bit of fallout with the duochrome, but with the mattes I didn't have fallout with it. Everything blended well, everything was pigmented, the colors that I did use. And I overall like this palette. This is very impressive for a drugstore palette, and this is worth the money. It was only $20, which I believe is a great steal for anybody to get. So that is my final thoughts on this palette. If you was to get this palette, you will not be disappointed. Just keep in mind you may need to use a primer. So that is all that I got to say to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all and see you guys later.